तशरीफ ले आए, जज आप भी आ जाएं, आप तीसरे जज।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। The moment, inshallah, we are very close, and Sayyid Salim Saab very differently come for. And a few announcements before we, inshallah, going towards the results. Face clothing, they donated the trophies. Gordi Rafiq Bhai, he also donated for this. And all of the people, they supported for this Naat competition. Please make dua for all the volunteers and for all of the supporters. And the decision we have made, I was a third person. I wasn't involved in marching. And we have three respected leaders. Hafiz Maulana Muhammad Khalid Sahab, Imam Tajdar Medina. Maulana Mufti Muhammad Shakir Sahab, Khatib Imam Central Mosque. And we had Brother Abdul Rashid, who is very prominent and very famous Naat Khan of the Leicester. So these people, they have given the mark. Just I was adding up, and once I have done that, I have shown this result to the judges as well. And you agree with the results and with the names, inshallah, we're going to announce, yes? So first, as I said, no one is loser. You all are the winners, yes? Because in this blessed night, you sat over here, you prayed Naat, and you have shown your passion to pray the Naat, to praise Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. I'm sure you are going to be star of our community, inshallah, in the future. And each of you is going to be, inshallah, famous Naat, inshallah. But in some of the people, we have seen the talent. As rarely you see the talent, you have beautiful voice, you have skills to pray Naat, and inshallah, if you get more training, attending the programs regularly, and keep going on same track, inshallah, one day, like you see the brother Anis and brother Sadiq and brother Yusuf, they're praying beautiful Naats today here, and they are very famous in our community in Leicester. And we know their beginning stage, they were famous like you, yeah? But they dedicated their life, their time and everything towards Naat. MashaAllah, today they are a firm Naat Khan as well, and very famous Naat Khan, MashaAllah. So you are not only praying Naat to get famous as well, okay? You pray Naat because then on the day of the Qiyamah, you will be closer to Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Yeah? On the day of the Qiyamah, you will have the chance to see Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam from very close. Might you get invited on the day of the Qiyamah, you are praying Naat for Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. In the physical word, please come today and pray Naat here in front of Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. So the main intention is to seek the pleasure of our Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Now without any delay, I'm going to make an announcement for the age group below 9 from number 3. The position number 3 goes to Muhammad Khan Sahab. Naray Takbir, Allahu Akbar, Naray Risalat, Ya Rasulullah. Muhammad Khan Sahab, his age is 9, and out of 120 he achieved 89 marks. Well done. So, judges, inshallah, with your blessed hands. Okay, and yeah, inshallah. And number 2 is going to go to the person who is 6, and he achieved 93 marks out of 120, and he is Saif Ali. Naray Takbir, Allahu Akbar, Naray Risalat, Ya Rasulullah. Very talented person, beautiful Naat, beautiful verses, mashallah, you deserve to have this trophy. And now, the person who came at late, and he changed the mind of the judges as well. He broke the sequence and order as well. He came late, but he deserved to have this number 1. He is 9-year-old, and he is very passionate to pray the Naats always. He achieved 98 marks out of 120, and he is Ubayd Ismail. Naray Takbir, Allahu Akbar, Naray Risalat, Ya Rasulullah. Beautiful Naat reciter, and very talented student of Madrasa Usmani Ismail. Well done. Now we are moving to the next group, inshallah. That group is age 10 to 13. And we start from number 3. The person who is 10-year-old and he achieved 82 marks out of 120 marks, and his name is Muhammad Ibrahim. Naare Takbir, Allahu Akbar, Naare Risalat, Ya Rasulullah. Well done, Muhammad Ibrahim. And qualification number 2. Again, the person is 10-year-old and he achieved 86 marks. You see that the competition was like, people had very slim chances and it was very tight. He achieved 86 marks out of 120 and he's 10-year-old and he is Sayyid Azimuddin. Naare Takbir, Naare Risalat, MashaAllah. He's very keen to pray now, and today, MashaAllah, he has fruit of his dedication and his hard work, Sayyid Azimuddin Sahab. And now, number 1, who is also 10-year-old and he achieved 91 marks. You see, number 3, 82, number 2, 86, and number 1 is 91. Not much difference. And that person is Amman Musa. Naare Takbir, Naare Risalat, Ya Rasulullah. Well done, Amman Musa. And now we are moving to the last and final group, which is age 14 to 17. And we start from number 3, the talented Naat, who is 17, and this was very close competition. And I think that number 3, he has became number 3 with the difference of only one, with a difference of 1 number.
Who was the other guy? Who was only one short number, so he couldn't get number 3 position. Yeah, other Naat, he played very good Naat. End of the day, this was the decision of the judges. So Fahim Parker, Naare Takbir, Naare Risalat. Well done. 17-year-old and achieved 90 marks out of 120. MashaAllah. Jazakumullah. Well done. And number 2, he deserved to have this prize. He is 15-year-old and he achieved 94 marks out of 120, and he is Bilal Patel. Naare Takbir, Naare Risalat. And number 1, who is 16-year-old and he achieved 107 marks out of 120 marks, and he is Sayyid Jaliwal. Naare Takbir, Naare Risalat. MashaAllah, well done. And now, all of the boys who participated, you all have prizes. We have Amama Sharif for all of you. Don't need to worry, inshallah, another time you will win. Yes? And as I said, you are winner. So you all can make a queue there. Then inshallah. Yeah? So you can make a queue there. Everybody, apart from top 3, because you had already your prizes. The other people and judges, inshallah, will bless you with the prize of the Amama Sharif, inshallah. And can I call again Ubayd Ismail? And this is a CD with the signature of Al-Hajj Qari Muhammad Al-Ban Sahab, inshallah. Amman Musa and Faisal Jaliwala. And many people, many brothers, they have donated some money for all of the participants, inshallah. So when you are coming in next weekend, Saturday, weekly Shema of Sunni Islam in this mosque, inshallah, the brothers will get your prize ready for you. So all of the participants, inshallah, you will achieve your prize, inshallah, on the day. And we are thankful to the Imam, Hafiz Muhammad Sahab, Hafiz Muhammad Yaqub Sahab, and all of the brothers are sitting here and encourage our brothers. सबकी हौसला अफजाई की, आप सभी हज़रात को शुक्रिया, आपने अपना वक्त दिया और मोहब्बत और खुलूस का आपने मुजाहरा किया. ये पहली बार बच्चों ने ये प्रोग्राम किया. उम्मीद है कि आइंदा फिर ये प्रोग्राम होगा इंशाअल्लाह और मज़ीद हुस्न इंतज़ाम के साथ ये प्रोग्राम होगा. फाइनल में जजेस हमारे